Okay, yeah, I think from where we had stopped at the office, let's get started and um, have ourselves create the first script and then run it in PHP, because the idea is we're trying to connect the front end to the back end, which is the database. But before we can connect to the database, we normally have to connect to the back end language, which is in our case PHP. Therefore, it makes perfect sense for us to have test if our server, because PHP is a server-side language. For us to know that it works, we need to run the server. And then we create a PHP script and then run it, and then maybe try to run a small text and see if it's going to work. So first of all, head over to XAMPP. In the XAMPP, you remember we were to open the htdocs. Okay, in that, create a folder named API. Okay, which I think, if you remember, we already created that one, and then open it in your text editor, which I know it's VS Code editor. You see this code that you see here that I'm showing you here. Type exactly that. That is it. Open bracket, question mark, then PHP. Okay, that's the syntax or say the language rules of PHP. If you want to create a PHP script, you start with that. Then write echo welcome to PHP, or you can write any message but in double quotes. Echo is a directive in PHP, or a syntax rule, which directs whatever is in front of it to be printed or to be output. Okay, whether in a browser or in what. So this is supposed to write a welcome to PHP in our web browser. So before you can run, head over to XAMPP, open it, and then run the server. Even if you don't run the MySQL database, because at the moment we are not connecting to the database. We are only working with PHP. We're trying to make sure that PHP is running before you can connect to the database. So even if you do not start the MySQL database there, it's fine. Now, once you have the XAMPP running, head over to your web browser. Okay. Now, in the web browser, type localhost and then in /API. Remember, API is the name of the folder. Okay, is the name of the folder in which we have our index.php. Okay, so the file that you will create in that API folder will be named index.php. That way, index.php. So when we give this URL here, that is a web address there, localhost /API, we are trying to open that folder and we try to access the root file in any HTML or PHP file projects, where there is either an index.html or index.php. If it's a PHP script or PHP program, the index.php will be the one that will be like a main file that will load first. Okay, so in this case, let's see if I click here. Yes, you can see there I've got welcome to PHP. It prints. So this means that PHP is running on this server. Okay, so we are able to connect and run. Let me try to stop and then try to run it again and see what complications you meet. So it says this site can't be reached. It can't be reached because the server is not running. Okay, so this that we are able to now run our PHP scripts. Then we can display whatever we have written in the PHP scripts that we have in our PHP code base.